This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, January the 11th, 2012. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see an upper level low over Louisiana, bringing some showers and even a few thunderstorms over the south, and a bank of clouds with a cold front coming through the Dakotas and into Wyoming, Colorado with an Arctic front and colder air. Watch warning map from before midnight. Winter weather advisories over North Dakota, parts of Wyoming and Montana. Winter storm watches along the eastern shore of Lake Michigan and the southern shore of Lake Superior with wind advisories to Oklahoma. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock shows the heaviest amounts of rain will be across the Ohio and Tennessee Valley northeastward into New England with upwards of an inch of precipitation. You see here's the snowfall projection. This is from the NAM model at 0Z. You see in the light green area a projection of maybe 4 or 5 inches of snow is possible with this system. The GFS, a little less bullish. The yellow area is about 2 or 3 inches, maybe up to 4 in the far eastern counties, so with the light pink being under an inch. Here's what the HPC says for snowfall projection. This is Wednesday evening through Thursday evening, and you can see the orange area, about 80% chances of 1 inch of snow, with the blue areas being over 50. 2 inches of snow looking fairly likely, especially east of the Avenue of the Saints, with the 60 and 70% in the tri-state area up into Wisconsin. 4 inches of snow or more. Looking very less likely, more likely in central and northern Wisconsin and up into Ontario. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 6 p.m. this evening. You can see here comes the cold air with the energy coming down from Canada. The Arctic front moving in. Temperatures will hit their highs early in the day today, about noon, and then start falling through the 30s into the 20s by evening with gusty north to northwesterly winds. Thursday, the low will be centered somewhere in Michigan. Still could have some backwash flurries or light snow showers across the areas east of Interstate 35 with partial clearing west. Be completely clear Friday, and depending on snow cover, Friday morning could be quite cold, especially in areas that may get a snow cover. Could see temperatures down to near zero, otherwise single digits and teens. A little bit of a weak system moves through on Saturday, with maybe a few flurries, especially across the northeastern sections and up into Minnesota and Wisconsin. The warm air really takes hold again on Sunday. Southerly winds, temperatures will be boosted back into the 30s, but dependent on snow cover, it could be a little bit cooler. We'll have to wait and see. Monday, here comes a new system, and the temperatures being a tad warmer. This could be in the form of maybe some rain or maybe a rain-snow mix, with another push of cold air following. We head into Tuesday. Here comes high pressure situated over western Wisconsin. Temperatures back for highs into the 20s, lows a few degrees either side of 10. A week from today on the 18th, west-east flow across the country. A lot of the energy along the U.S.-Canadian border once more, but now that we're on the cold side, we're getting a little more chances of some snow or rain-snow mix. And another system will be on the heels of the state over the plains and into the northern Rockies and Pacific Northwest. We move ahead further into the month of January, the 22nd. Here comes another trough axis moving through the state with some energy over the U.S.-Canadian border, and that's going to bring some rain or rain-snow mix across the state once more, with a pretty big system out over the eastern and northeastern Pacific and Gulf of Alaska that could be interesting later in the week. At the end of the forecast, the 26th, bit of energy to our south with a trough axis moving through the area, bit of a ridge developing over the southeast. The surface shows a low pressure system near Jefferson City, Missouri, but the height levels show that it's not expected to be very cold at this point if this is correct, so we could see rain or rain-snow mix. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.